called?
XML.
Okay, yeah, guys. So let me start it again. Okay, now, yeah. What is the XML stands for?
I think fourth one.
No,
No, XML. नहीं, example. X markup language first one.
no. Second one only. Yeah, Zia. You will talk like this. Second
With
option.
right.
There is a way of describing the XML data. How? XML data.
There is a way of describing it.
Yeah, guys.
First one, it uses XSL to describe the data.
No. The third one. DTD, not XLF. That is the
DTD?
XML schema. Yeah, DTD is there. XLF is not the thing. Third one
Okay.
only. Yeah. XML goal is to replace the HTML. True?
No.
False.
Okay. What is the correct syntax for the declaration or which defines the XML version?
XML version.
Third
Yeah.
one.
Third one?
Third.
No. Tell again. Think it again. First one, guys.
I think
It's the first one only. I think so. I don't remember exactly. Actually, I don't remember exactly. Actually, I think so. I'm thinking it cannot be third one. Actually, it cannot be third one. That is for sure. But it cannot be first one only. I think so. Let's proceed for first one as of now. Okay, first one as of now. I don't think so. It's three. Let's first one. Okay.
I'm not sure.
Okay. What does DTD stand for?
Document type
First.
definition.
Document type definition.
Yeah, document type definition. Okay. Okay, you need to answer, guys. Very simple question. Is this the well formatted XML document? Yes or no? Take your time. No problem at all.
No.
Yeah.
If the first line is correct, then it is yes.
Yes.
I think it is no. By the way.
Confusion about this first line, but if you are neglecting this first line, everything is syntactically correct. We can say that is well.
Yeah. Tell me, what is the answer? True or false? Yes or no?
True.
It's a true only. Yes only.
Said
Yes
no because of
only.
the first line.
Boy, no, not. It's a
Then
correct one. It's a
okay,
correct one.
then
Actually, we
we
chosen the
Answer
wrong
was
one.
incorrect, I guess.
How? No, it's a
then
Sumit. It's a
we
yes, na. Sumit, how it can be no? It's a
Sumit
yes.
was right.
But problem is it's a no actually. It's body inside the body only. All these things should come right. It's not right for it. So it's no.
please no. Lucky, please.
Yeah, no is I'm as of now I'm taking as a
This
no.
this
Okay,
XML
now
declaration, this version declaration is single line only. I look at it on the XML file also.
single line only. Okay, is it a well
Yeah. In
formatted
the
document?
web.xml, yeah. In the
Okay.
web.xml, you can see that there's single line XML declaration only, XML file declaration.
Okay. Here, what is the correct answer? Is this well formatted XML document? No, it's a no from my side. What is the answer for you guys?
I think so.
I guess
No.
Why you think so? It's
well formed, I guess.
2 minutes, guys, 2 minutes. Uh,
XML should contain DTD format too with XML line. So you found this answer on Google or what?
Let's proceed, guys. So this should be the no. Yeah. Let's proceed. Okay. Guys, which statement is true here? XML elements must be the lowercase. XML document must have the DTD. All XML elements must be properly closed, or the all statements are true. Which one? Which statement is true, guys? Tell me the number. Do you
Fourth
guys?
one.
No.
Fourth one.
No. Shubham,
Okay.
Sumit, tell me which one? Second one? No, not second one. Any other guess?
Then third one.
Third one, all elements should be properly closed. Yeah, it's third one only. Guys, third one only. Yeah. Which statement is not true, guys? XML document must have the root tab. White space is not preserved. XML tags are case sensitive, and XML element must be properly nested. Which one is not true? Answer is the second one.
I think so. Second.
Second one. Yeah.
Yes.
Shubham, are you there? Why silent? Okay, let's proceed.
Wait,
XML,
yeah.
XML preserves the white spaces. Yes or no?
False.
Yes. Preserve the white spaces actually. Let's see. I also don't remember exactly, but it should be reserve the white spaces. Yeah. Okay. Is it the well formatted XML, guys? Yes or no? This answer you must give. Yeah. It should be the well formatted document. Yes or no? It's yes, answer, guys. It's yes. Answer is yes only. Ria, you need to work on XML. Huh?
Okay.
Shubham is silent, totally silent, not even trying. This is the well formatted or not, guys? Or no?
Can we not hear my voice?
No, we are not. You kept yourself mute. How we will listen?
It is
Sorry. I was thinking that I was stealing and my mic was mute.
Okay. Which answer? It's a well formatted or no? Yes or no?
Yeah. Yes. All the syntactical rules are following here.
No, it's a no.
Problem.
It's a no because the argument should be in double quotation. It's not in double quotation actually.
Yeah.
It's a no only. Yeah, okay. XML element cannot be empty. Yes or no?
XML element cannot be empty. False.
No, true. Can be
False.
empty, na? Can be empty.
I think so.
Oh yeah.
Can be empty, na? Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
False sign.
Which one is not a correct name of the XML document? Tell me which is not the correct name of the XML document. Guys.
Second one.
Yeah. Second one. Ria.
Second.
Like a Java only, yaar. It should not start from number, right? Okay. Which is not the correct name for the XML element?
Which is not the correct name for
XML element. Which is not not a correct.
Second
fourth.
one. Fourth one.
Fourth, yeah. Space is there, right?
Yeah.
Fourth.
Okay. Which is the correct name for the XML element, guys?
Which is the correct name for XML element? Third one.
Third
one.
Or the first
Third
one. Or the first one.
Third one.
Why the third one? Why not the first one?
We are following the camel case lettering, I guess, for naming also.
It's not like that. It can be this one. It's a case sensitive.
No, it's not camel case.
No, it's not a camel case. That's fine, but I'm saying it can be. I think so. Should be first one. Okay. It's not a worry actually. It can be like that, but yeah. Let's meanwhile follow the third one. Okay. Yeah, third one only. Start with the caps. Yeah, that is start with the caps. That's why. Okay. Okay. XML attribute value must always enclose with a double quotation. Yes or no?
True.
True?
Yes, true, true,
True only. Yeah, yeah,
true.
yeah. True only. Right. Okay. What the XLS stand for?
Extensible. Okay, fine. Excellent.
Tell me, tell me.
Yeah, fourth one.
Well, style
Extensible
sheet
style sheet
language.
language.
Yeah, fourth one only,
Yeah.
guys. Riya need to work. Okay. Which is the correct way of referring to the style sheet called mystylesheet.xml? Style sheet, guys.
Don't know.
Answer,
Sorry.
Sumit.
Referring to and style sheet.
Uh, guys, I'm looking for the
Uh,
answer. No, style sheet. Which is the answer, guys? I think the third one only.
Second.
But you're referring, right? HREF, you're referring.
mhm.
Referring means I think so. As per my understanding, I'm applying third one. As of now, we are getting 100%. That's why I'm not able to see the answers, but we will see the answer this time. Okay, this one nobody know. I think so. I'm looking for Sumit. Sumit, can you please answer this one? For the XML cursor to ignore the certain section of the XML document, which syntax is correct? Tell me, guys. This one, what should be the
For the
answer?
external concept.
Fourth one, C data.
Mm,
Fourth one.
fourth one.
Yeah.
XML person ignore a certain section of the XML document which syntax is correct. Yeah, not. I think the fourth one only. Yeah, fourth one only. Let's
Yeah.
see.
To ignore the less than symbol.
Right, right. Which statement is true? Is attribute must occur in a defined order. Attribute must always be present. None of the two statements are true. Tell me. Answer,
Mm,
answer, answer.
First one is true.
Maybe third one.
Third
Second
one.
one.
Yeah.
None of
There
other
is
two
no must
statements
occur
are.
defined order. No, there is no presency. So none of the above two rules. Yeah. The XML is used for entities before the shortcut to standard elements. Entities define the shortcut for
Entity
the standard
dependent.
attribute. Entity define the shortcut to standard text order. Yeah, which one answer, guys? Sumit have told third one. Tell me,
Mm,
guys, which one?
of this.
Third one only, guys. Third one only. Entities define the shortcut to standard text and special. Yeah. Which one is correct here, guys? Which of the following XML fragment is the well formatted?
Mm,
Ria,
Second one.
tell me your
No,
guess.
second one not.
Yes.
Second one is not.
First
Second
one,
one
guys, only
ID.
first one only.
First
ID
one
value is
because
not.
Double
first
quotation
one.
should be there. Yeah, yeah, double quotation should be
Second
there.
one ID
It's
value is
double
not
quotes
properly
missing.
included in
Hmm.
double quote.
XML stance is XML stance is what?
What?
XML attribute. Okay.
So, mate, what is the answer? 24th.
Mhm.
It's a document. XML stance is the document. Yeah, third one. Last 25th. DOM. XML DOM object represents a node in the node tree. What is that? Which XML DOM object represent a node in the node tree?
Mm,
Um,
XML DOM object. Uh, as of now, I think so it's a document only, but it can be wrong. But let's see. So this time 80% should be there. Yeah, 80% we got, but five are wrong.
80%.
Okay, almost study a little more and take the test again. So let's
Study a
check the
little.
answer. Still we got the
Check
distinction.
your answers.
Still we got the distinction. Yeah, so first is right. What the
Extensible markup.
markup language. The second one is also right. There is a way of describing the XML document, that is the DTD, through the DTD, document type definition. Okay. XML goal is to replace the HTML false. Actually, here the Sumit was right. We need to select the second option. We choose the first option. Yeah. So it must be done. Yeah, he told. Yeah. That's fine, Sumit. Here the human mistake can be done. Okay. Uh, come to the fifth one. Yeah, here the document type definition for the DTD. Yeah, and the fifth one, here it was the correct actually. We
Yeah.
note, but we was just warm up condition, so we chosen the wrong. So one mistake, so we have not listened the Sumit. The second mistake, we have not observed properly. Okay. Yeah, here it's the correct one only because it's not starting with any body. Okay, it's just supposed to start from body and end with body. Directly all are starting together, right? So there is no major big tag. Root tag was not there. That's why it was no. Guys, if you're having any confusion, just go through this website, go through the document here and try to have the understanding. If anybody having any questions, stop me right now only. So I will answer them. Yeah. Which statement is true? So XML element must be properly closed. Yeah. White spaces are not preserved. So actually white spaces are preserved as part of XML. And Ria was denying me saying for the second answer, no, false. So no, Ria, it's true. Like white spaces are preserved as part of XML because we having the case sensitivity and we also looking into the spaces. If any spaces are there, we are not supposed to uh, follow the spaces, right? And even I told you a couple of times there should be double quotation. If there is no double quotation, that will be the false thing. So see, this is the false thing actually. Double quotation was not there, so it's correct. Yeah, cannot be empty. So actually false. Yeah, so Subham said that, right? I did the mistake here. Yeah, Subham, XML
Yeah.
element cannot be empty. So it's a false. Cannot can be cannot be empty means can be empty, right? So I have read the question in wrong way. Okay.
This was a confusion we both of us made.
Ah, ah. So I was reading can be empty. It's saying cannot be empty in true and false confusion. So yeah, it should be the false. Mm, okay, Ria was here $1. Okay, first name. So it's incorrect because spaces are there. So we are not supposed to have the space here. You know? And if you come here, the XML document is wrong.
Yeah,
Actually,
yeah.
guys, I was saying the norm name. So I think so camel case need to be followed here. Yeah. So third one is the wrong. Even Sumit was saying this was having capital letter. That's why he was not selecting. But no, I think so it should be only this one only, right? Camel case should be followed, and this is not following the camel case kind of stuff. Okay. So yeah, that's why the name is correct. Okay. Anyhow, anyway, must all be double quotation years, extensible style sheet, and even I selected this one. So guys, just do remember the declaration always start with the question mark actually. If you see this is the question mark, this is the question mark. The declaration always start with it. Okay. And yeah, this is the correct answer. We chosen together. C data. This is the most important thing. It is the part of the DTD document type definition. Okay. And here two statements, none of the two other statements are true. Yes, correct. And yeah, this is the here thing. Yeah, it's a double quotation should be there. It's XML document only. Last answer should be correct. Yeah, it's a node or actually the last answer we chosen the node. So guys, it was a bit confusing and we have not gone through the XML very frequently, right? So do one thing. Let's try again if you would like to be. Yeah. Anybody would like to
Yes.
try it again? Ria?
Yes.
Okay, let me start the JavaScript now. Yeah, so JavaScript. Inside which HTML
Select
element
fourth,
do we put the JavaScript? Which
fourth.
tag? Fourth? Yeah, fourth one. Shubham?
Script.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Fourth one, script.
fourth one. Okay. Okay. What is the correct JavaScript syntax to change the content of the HTML element below?
Uh, get element by ID.
Mm-hmm.
Document dot get element by ID.
Mm-hmm.
It's the second one.
Right? Yeah.
Yes.
It's talking about the
What
ID
is
only,
the
right?
one?
ID only. You have the ID like demo.
Hmm.
It's a re-expertise. Where is the correct place to insert the JavaScript? Ria, tell me where you try to script the JavaScript.
Inside the body.
Inside the
Both,
body?
both head
Both
and
Head.
places. Both
head and
places. Both places
head and
actually.
body.
Ah,
JavaScript, no problem
inside
at all.
head body.
Both places. Okay. What the correct syntax for referring to the external JavaScript? Ria will answer.
Script. Yeah.
Correct.
Which one?
Uh,
Ria?
what is the correct syntax for referring external? Oh,
Sumit?
I think so. Third one.
No, third one only.
Third one is for the link,
Third
na?
one only.
href is for the link.
Not the
Third
second one. Third one only. Source, na? Source. That's why I'm giving the time, guys. Try to think.
Huh.
Yeah. Source is the source. Yeah. Okay. Which external JavaScript file must contain the script tag? Yes or no? External JavaScript and the script tag.
Yes. True.
No, it's false. It's need the script tag.
Will not needed.
It's false. Ria, it's false.
Yeah.
External JavaScript file must not contain the
Must
script
contain
tag.
the script.
False.
Okay.
Script tag it not needs to be
Well,
there.
it's a total file is there. Na? You can directly write. There is no need to type the script tag. .js will be there. Yeah, right, Sumit. So Sumit, answer is false only, right? You are numbering. I am not understanding numbering. True, false, at least false only, Ria. Okay. No need of a script tag. Okay. How do you write the help world program in alert box? Ria.
First one.
First one?
First
Yeah.
one,
First one, right.
First one, yes.
Okay. How do you create a function in JavaScript?
First one.
First one? First one, right,
Yes.
right. तुमने बहुत खेला है अलर्ट से. How do you call a function named my function?
Second.
Yeah, second one.
Yeah.
Okay. How to write a if statement in the JavaScript? JavaScript, guys,
last one.
JavaScript.
Fourth one. Fourth.
Right. JavaScript is very similar to the
Fourth
Java.
one.
Right. Correct. Python, it's not Python. Okay. How to write the if statement for executing the sum code if I is not equal to 5? First one, guys.
A is not.
Shubham.
First one, yes. First one.
Shubham, tell me. You are on mute, I think so. First one only. Okay, so Sumit is answering perfectly. How does the while loop starts?
Second.
That's second one. Yeah, it's Java only, guys. Java syntax only. Yeah. How does for loop starts? Yeah, guys.
First one.
Yeah, first one. Now, how can you add a comment in JavaScript? Guys? First one only. Correct.
No, second.
No, it can be first one, no? Huh?
First one.
Let's see. I'm also a bit confused. I think so. Yeah, which one should be? Yeah. I think it can be first one.
No, second one.
Second one. Chalo try.
But first one is for the yes.
Okay, चलो अभी सेकंड मान के चलते हैं. रिया रॉन्ग, चलो फर्स्ट मान लेते हैं अभी. चलो आगे चलते हैं. 10 मिनट बचे अपने पास फिर से. Okay. How to insert the comment that has more than one line?
Third. Okay, third. I'm little bit confused.
Third?
I think so. Third.
Third only, no?
Yes.
Okay. What is the correct way of write the JavaScript array? JavaScript array, guys.
Third one.
Third one? Yeah, third
one.
Third
one.
Yes. One only. Okay. So, okay, third one. Okay. How do you round the number 7.25, the nearest integer? Math.round? Second one, right. Second one.
Yes.
Okay. How do you find out the number with the highest value of x and y? Highest value.
I
Same.
think no, I don't know.
Okay, so there is a concept of ceiling. Okay, so it's saying the highest value. So how to find out the number with the highest value of x and y? So highest value means maximum value, right? Or highest value. Okay, just now I think it should be the max only. Maximum value or highest value. Okay, let's proceed with the fourth one as of now. है ना? We will choose the first one. Let's see, it will come. Okay. Which is the correct JavaScript syntax for the opening a new window into W2? Tell me. New window. Answer, Ria.
First, okay, new window. Correct. I
First
think
one on.
second one.
No, first one only. First one only. Because open will work out actually. No new keyword is not required. Once you will open, it will automatically say, means it's a new only. Open will come actually, not the new one.
Okay.
Let's see. Yeah. So JavaScript is the same as Java?
False. False.
Yeah. Okay. So how can you detect the client browser name? Tell me, guys. Navigator.app name actually is the second one. Navigator.app name. Netscape Navigator was the first browser ever. So Navigator.app name. That's why I remember this one. Second one only. Okay. Which event occurs when user clicks on the HTML?
On click. On click.
Right.
On click. Second.
Second, right. Okay. How do you declare a variable in JavaScript? Where?
Second.
Yeah. Okay. Which operator used to assign the value to a variable?
Fourth.
Which is the following code written? 10 is greater than 9. It's what should be? True, false, not. True. 10 is greater than 9. Yeah, true.
True.
Yeah. Is JavaScript is case sensitive?
No. JavaScript is.
Yes.
Yes. So this time, whatever percentage, it's all up to Ria. Yeah, Ria, you scored 96%. Okay, where we did the mistake. So this time record not recorded.
Okay.
So yeah, inside which HTML element do we put the JavaScript script tag is there? Yeah. Here it's right, document.get element by ID. Yeah, both we can place the both places. Okay, head and body, no problem at all with the JavaScript. Okay. So मैं confused हुआ था. Okay. Here false होगा अपना, right? False होगा यहाँ पे क्योंकि ये मैंने बोला था कि तुम external में रखोगे तो तुम्हें you no need to apply the select script tag. Okay, so that's why the external no need to contain. So right only. Alert, yes, correct. Function dot my function is also correct. My function is also correct. This one is also correct. So we are from Java, so Java kind of syntax is not being. Yeah, here Ria was right. Sumit was wrong. Okay, so it's exactly like a Java.
Yeah, I told you.
Yeah. I'm asking for myself. So actually, exactly like a Java, single line comment and multi-line comment. It's like a Java only. So it's wrong. No problem at all. One may be the wrong. Ria was correct. So yeah, this one is correct. We have or math.round is there. Yeah, math.max will come. Seal will not come actually because sealing kind of concept. Yeah, even Sumit was getting confused because of Sumit have gone through the HTML and CSS. There the concept of the floor and sealing is there actually. That's why. Yeah, no problem. And here I told you open is sufficient. No need to have the new one. Open is automatically going to give you the thing. Okay. Yeah. Navigator, I told you Netscape Navigator was the first version. I have you navigator.app on click. Yeah. So card name and all those things are correct here. So guys, yeah, we scored a 96%. And as part of 96%, we did the two wrong answers. One is the multi-line comment. Another is, I think so, which one? Only one incorrect or two incorrect? One only. One we did the mistake only. That is the multi-line comment.
Only one.
Only one. Right. Otherwise, we may have 100%. So we must listen the Ria, which is the JavaScript expert. Yeah, Ria. Okay, guys,
Not at
so
all. JavaScript.
okay,
Opera.
one of the biggest, one of the most dangerous. Okay, more vast. Okay, so we will connect tomorrow. Huh? So it's already we covered two sections of the Zoom. I have recorded the session, so we can push over the YouTube. है ना? Guys, I hope so. This time it was very good. What to say? Session. We was more interactive. We was trying to answer the questions. And guys, I am planning to have the exercise actually. So we will connect tomorrow and we will do the Java exercise. I am much interested in Java exercise, guys. Huh? Then we will go for JavaScript exercise. So first of all, we will go for Java then JavaScript. Is it fine now? So we will enjoy like anything.
Yes, yes.
Huh? So I
Yeah.
think so you were somewhere else. So we
Okay.
tried from our side. We
Yeah,
were
my phone got disconnected.
okay, okay, no problem. Yeah, guys, it was a very good session today. We tried to learn, we tried to interact, we tried to answer, and we scored 100%, 100%, I mean, 3 times 100%, and 80% is not wrong at all.
Yeah.
Yeah, मजा आया. मजा
Okay,
तो आया.
Sachi,
हाँ. Okay, guys. So we will
that
connect.
session.
Okay. Yeah, yeah. We will do the Java practice tomorrow, and then after JavaScript. So, guys, I will strongly recommend you if you're really looking for the front end. We will ask Sony to join. Actually, Sony is from front end, so we can go for the HTML practice also. We can go for the JavaScript. We can go for CS. CSS is so much dangerous, yeah. It's not very simple. CSS, yeah, so much difficult. Even I have gone through all the quizzes. Actually, I have gone through all the quizzes, and I have Bootstrap. I left only. The rest of the quizzes I have gone through, and the average scoring is like more than 70% for all the quizzes. So jQuery also one of the good thing which you can learn, guys. So it was so much good. We will connect tomorrow same timing 1 p.m. है ना? And if there will be any change in the plan, so Shubham, I think so you can drive the session. Yeah. So we can try
Yes,
to
yes, no
have the
problem.
JavaScript Java exercise tomorrow. You know? So if there will be
Yes,
any
yes.
such kind of problem, then we can drive it. Huh? And yeah, guys, so we
Okay.
are working on the personal branding kind of stuff, like Sumit having the YouTube channel, Ria having the YouTube channel, Shubham also having the YouTube channel. So whoever will drive the
Yes.
session will record the session and will upload in their YouTube channel. And whoever is looking for the personal branding, would like to increase the YouTube subscriber or would like to do some personal branding, we all are supporting each other. And definitely we will collaborate and we will push together the video. So I having near to 200 plus subscribers. So yeah, I hope so each and every person, because I have seen Sumit also having the good subscribers, right, Sumit? So in this way, we can increase our count as part of subscribers on the YouTube channel. We will all go together. Chalo, bye bye. Take care, guys. Huh? Happy weekend.
Okay.
Tomorrow I
Bye.
will come early morning. Today
Yeah.
I have missed out.
Happy weekend.
Yeah, yeah. Near to 70 subscriber here. Chalo, bye bye.